Hi, I'm Justin from Wagan Tech, and today we're taking a look and unboxing the brand new Spartan 2500 LED Worklight. I'll go over what comes inside the box, and then we'll take a look at all the features and benefits of the device. So let's get right into it. Now let's take a look at what's inside the box. Whoa! Alright, so there's the clear case that everything fits in, battery connectors, a DC 12-volt DC plug, the base with the threaded flexible rod, and of course the light with a generous 9-foot cable and a dual on-off switch for each of the colors of light. Born from a company who loves the outdoors, the Spartan is an extremely bright, bi-colored light that is perfectly suited for use at home, under the hood, on the job site, as well as the campsite. This light comes with a bi-colored LED light, meaning that you can choose to have 2000 lumens of pure white light, 500 lumens of yellow light, or mix the two for 2500 lumens of daylight colored light. The LED colors allow you to set the mood. The Spartan is powered by any 12-volt DC power source, like your car's 12-volt accessory socket, our power dome, a portable power supply, or our iOnBoost V10 TORQUE. With a simple dual switch controller, changing the light color is as simple as a press of a button. The Spartan light features a threaded insert that attaches to the flexible arm in the magnetic base. This light can be bent, turned, or angled into nearly any position to provide the light exactly where you need it. The base is magnetic and has 2 pre-drilled holes for those that want to permanently mount it. With an uncased design, the Spartan is able to radiate light in a true 180-degree radius, allowing you to adequately illuminate your surrounding area. One interesting use for this light is that you can use it for your photography and video needs. Since it provides a natural color temperature and does not flicker, you can use it to add interesting lighting to your project. And that's been our quick look at the Spartan 2500 LED Worklight. If you're interested in purchasing this product, click the link right here. Give us a like and a thumbs up if you find this video helpful, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe while you're at it. Thanks for watching.